Spaghetti, yeah, yeah. Spaghetti, yeah, yeah. Spaghetti, yeah, spaghetti, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna tell you so. Spaghetti, yeah, yeah. Spaghetti, yeah, yeah. Spaghetti, yeah, spaghetti, yeah, yeah. Because in a way, you see,
so this beautiful place with a lovely climax here in Akosombo, as you can see behind me, Bridgeview Resort is the place. The event is going to happen where the Philadelphia Eagles are going to have their draft experience in the Nation Football League that they call it. This draft happens annually, and this is the 88th time that is happening, currently ongoing. It actually happens between this time, April 27th to 29th of April. And today, Philadelphia Eagles have come to Ghana, and today they are saying that they're going to have that viewing party experience here at the Bridgeview Resort. And I mean, obviously wonderful people coming in to experience this. It's a lifetime experience for the Philadelphia Eagles, and they've made this happen for every Ghanaian who will be participating in here. This is the time that they'll be drafting eligible players into their respective squad in the 2023 season. So it's something that we are here to experience, we are here to enjoy here at the Bridgeview Resort inside Akosombo.
This is a really big day in American football.
Yeah, yeah. Spaghetti, yeah, yeah. Spaghetti, yeah, spaghetti. I'm in the mood. Give it to me, gaba gaba. Uyo, uyo. Give it to me, gaba gaba. Imaza, uyo. Give it to me, gaba gaba. Spaghetti, yeah, spaghetti, yeah.